Hey everyone, welcome back to Unboxing a Brand. I'm Shirley. Today we're unboxing a company called Covry. They're an online eyeglass and sunglass company, and they have something called an elevated fit, which means that their glasses fit people with smaller nose bridges, such as me. In the industry, it's also known as the Asian fit because Asians tend to have smaller noses. And me in particular, I have pretty much a non-existent nose bridge. So every time I purchase glasses or sunglasses, it just sits on my face or slides down on my nose. And that's really annoying. So I wanted to try Covry for the first time. They have what's called a home try-on program, and it costs $10. So you get to choose 5 pair of glasses and they send it to your home, and you have 5 days to try it on, and if you like it, you place an order for the style that you like. So let's take a look at what I got. So the glasses that I chose this time are not sunglasses, they're just regular reading glasses. They do have what's called a blue light screening lens, which just means that it blocks out a lot of the blue light that emits from screens, such as your computer, your iPad, or your phone, etc. And I work a lot in front of a computer, so I wanted to see if I can get a pair of these blue light blocking glasses. So let's have a look. All right, so when you open the box, it's just a very simple box, and there are some materials in here. Lens guide for Covry. I believe this company was started by 2 Asian chicks because, like me, they probably had a lot of trouble finding the right glasses, and so they decided to start their own company. Okay, so try on each of your 5 frames to find your perfect fit. Order a shiny new pair anytime and send back your try-ons. So I have to send it back within 5 days. I just got this box yesterday and I'm really curious to see how they fit. So it comes with a packing slip, and I think what you do is you just peel it off and put it back in the box and send it back to them. Cool. And ooh, look at this. This is really nice. It's like a nice black leather or pleather box, and ooh, mirror for trying on. You're one step closer to finding the one. And it's a handwritten note with my name on it. Oh, look at that. So these are the frames that I picked. I think 2 of these might be the same frame, but just different colors. I wanted to try something a little bit out of the ordinary. It's very smart that they put this here so that, I mean, I have a mirror here. I was prepared for the filming, but you can also use this. So I'm gonna start with the left side. Oh, this is, I'm so excited. Okay. All right, so this is called the CHARA Clear. And let's see. Yeah, so these definitely are sitting on my nose and not my face. It's not touching my cheeks, and it's just sitting properly on my nose, and it's actually extremely comfortable. I'm really excited. Like this never happens. Whenever I go to a store, like everything just rests on my face. I like these. They make me look really smart. Right? Oh, these are really cute. Okay, so these are the ones in clear. I also ordered them in pink because why not? Ooh, these are cute. They match my lipstick. Oh, again, this is the same fit, but it's a different color. There's like a shell detail here on the side of these glasses, and it's also, you can also see it here on the clear ones. Oh my gosh. I like these. Oh my gosh, I think I'm gonna be ordering something, which is kind of bad because their glasses are on the more expensive side. These reading glasses I think start at $95, and if you want to order the blue screen blocking lenses, they're additional $35. So it's definitely gonna be an over $100 purchase. Okay, let's keep on going with the try-on. This is the RIGEL beige. So this one is like a Harry Potter. Oh my god. Do I look like a hipster or do I look like a grandma? I mean, this elevated fit thing is amazing. Like, it's so comfortable. Oh my gosh. Okay. This pair has like black and white marble going on the sides of the, what are these called? The legs? I don't know. All right, cool. These next ones are called the SALM and cobalt. So this has a little bit of blue and clear and dark gray going on here. Oh, so comfortable. Oh my gosh. All right, these are cool. These look nice. So I'll leave the prices for these below. They don't have them on here, but I'll have to add that on later on. But these are, I like these. Oh, I'm gonna be buying sunglasses from them too. Okay, so I've tried the peony already. So this last pair is the ANSER in black. So you can adjust these things like the little rest things on the side here. But this one is like a little bit off. Okay, there we go. These are cute too. All right, I'm gonna have to give it a little bit more time and try it on at maybe tomorrow. I'm gonna sleep on it a little bit and see which one I'll choose. So that was unboxing Covry. Let me know what you thought of this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to our channel. Let me know if you've tried this company before and if there's a pair of glasses that you really like and would recommend. Let me know in the comment section below. We're also on Facebook and Instagram, so don't forget to follow us there as well. Thanks so much for watching and we'll see you next time. Bye! I like these ones, but maybe because it matches my lipstick. So that's not a good thing, right?